Hey, good morning. Andy Farmer here, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Gorgeous morning here in eastern North Carolina. Just want to pull out my phone real quick and do this video for you. I'm currently cruising down the intercoastal waterway on a Galeon 550 fly. Two Ray Marine units up here at the helm. I'm in the lower helm, captain's up top, and running the boat from up there. But just a gorgeous morning, gorgeous boat. Bow, stern thruster, electronic inboard motors, so no pods on this one. Upholstery's in great shape. Woodwork's in great shape. Flooring's in great shape. This guy does a really, really good job. This is the third boat that I have been a part of him selling. His boats always survey out really, really well, and this one's going to be no exception. Galley. Burner stove. Check out this view. Boat size fridge. This boat is equipped with crew quarters and seakeeper, so some highly favorable options. Teak deck throughout on the exterior, cockpit and hydraulic platform. Let's take a peek downstairs, walking down the stairs. Starboard, you've got two single berths. Just take a peek back in the master. So you've got a washer and dryer in this compartment, combo unit. Man, imagine waking up looking out at that view. Gorgeous. Boat's in great shape. Carpet's in great shape. Master head. Sink, walk-in shower. This does have the upgraded towel, upgraded floors in the heads as well. To the VIP. Got my photographer's stuff stowed away up here. Woodwork, vanity. Cabinetry's in great shape. Tons of storage in here. Flip around TV, hanging locker. And then it has a private entrance into the day head. Again, upgraded floor, upgraded towel work in the shower. And the master, as well as the and coming back up the steps. There's your helm seat, lower helm station. Again, full Ray Marine package, 2 displays down here. Does have autopilot on it as well. VHF radio with AIS. TV screen flips up here. Let's take a peek around on the foredeck. This is more of that teak flooring I was telling you about. Up 3 steps here. Does have window shades for the exterior. Windows, so if you're not using it, just keep that UV lighting out of the interior of the boat. On the bow, you've got 2 nice bow cushions, plenty of cup holders, remote spotlight, anchor windlass, nice heavy duty stainless bow rails, shot up top. Coming around the starboard side. Again, window covers for the front and side windows. Nice wide side deck, nice heavy duty handrails. Tell I'm maneuvering around, filming while underway. Easy to get around the side decks. Up the teak stairs to the bridge. Large fly bridge. Upholstery's in good shape. There are covers that go all the way around here. You've got storage underneath. Got a large table. Folds down. Large sun pad up here.
This is Penelope, over.
Penelope, this is Shanti, go ahead.
Hello, good morning again. Just wondering if you're slowing
Nice
down
reindeer.
temporarily or you're, or we should ask you what your intentions are.
Guys, this is a really nice boat. I'll try to get some better shots of that fly bridge for you. Kind of a lot going on up there right now, but extremely clean, well maintained. 550 fly. Give us a call, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks.